No, I'm not with them again. No, I will still be them. But just that I will not say what should make you people to think that I'm a betrayer. I'm not a betrayer. It's what is on ground that we will pray for all our children to back home. What I'm doing at the back, you people don't know. Until you want me to come and say something against them. For what? You have your own card. If you have your people who want to support, you want them there. Be campaign for him. All these guys.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa LEGE Miami ti jáde ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé ó ní òun sì ń sọ̀pọ̀tù ìjọba TINUBU àti campaign tí òun ṣe fún nítorí wípé òun ṣe kí náà pè yìí òun ti bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti máa support rẹ̀ àti ní wípé ó ní lẹ́yìn ìgbà náà ó ní ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n pè òun ní betrayer nítorí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó ní tí òun ò bá continue láti máa support rẹ̀ tàbí campaign fún ó ní àwọn èèyàn yóò máa pè òun ní betrayer ní ẹ̀yìn dèmi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí LEGE Miami tí ó sọ nìyí ẹ gbìyànjú láti wo fọ́nrán yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dé ìparí torí ó tún sí àwọn kankan tí LEGE tún sọ ní inú fọ́nrán yìí ẹ gbìyànjú láti wo fọ́nrán yìí dé ìparí ó ti yá.
If them they have sense, they should know that there's something behind it, what is going on in the country. They're supposed to know. There's an involved opposition party. They are just putting that we are grassroots all over Nigeria. They are just putting us at the middle. They are letting our children to be facing all this because you want to overthrow power. Do you think I'm a fool? I can't understand. I don't understand English, but I have sense. I have sense. This government you're talking about, I drag them at the back of camera. I talk to them. I fight them. I will talk to them and fight them at the back. But you people don't know. You want me to come out talk against how that possible? If I'm with you, I'm with you. If I'm not with you, I'm not with you. But I stand by Nigeria people. Because it's you people that bring me out the limelight to my platform. I like I mommy, I like Bami, I like I already been paid LEGE exist. Tell you about so LEGE lele. I want job only 5 months LEGE is a voice. I like I work pẹ̀lú every day work pẹ̀lú wọn. And then ṣépè fún mi. Ṣé pé máa ṣépè fún mi kò ní ṣe ni. Mo lè ṣépè fún mi kó má ṣe. Máa ṣépè fún máa ṣe. Mi fẹ́ wọ́n mi tó fi wẹ̀. Máa ṣépè fún máa fẹ́. Ó máa ṣe máa ṣépè fún máa ṣe. Ajé ń gbọ́ mi ní parọ́ fún ẹ lọ bèrè mi come. If you don't know, go and check my profile. They will tell you. Tí bá sọ kan mẹ́sàn-án, tí bá sọ kan mẹ́wàá, mẹ́jọ máa ṣe 100%. Ó ní yiri ẹ wò.